Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to change your TikTok password that you already know. This is not for when you don't know the password. If you want to learn how to change your password when you don't know it, ask in the comment section and I'll give you the directions. I'll create a video showing how to do that also, okay? Now, before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. I have a link for a 30-day free trial in my video description. So stick around until the end of this video and I'll give you more details on that. All right, let's begin. So to change your password in TikTok when you already know it, just open the app like this and go ahead and log in. After you have logged in, if you look in the bottom right hand corner, you see this icon right here? It's like the icon, the person icon. Click on that. It will take you to your profile page. Once you're here, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see these three dots up here? Click on those. Okay, it takes you here. Once you're here, go to over here where it says manage my account. And then from there, if you see on the bottom where it says password, click on that. And then go ahead and enter your current password. Okay, after you've entered your current password, go ahead and enter your new password. And for my password, I usually like to use a combination of words, numbers, and characters. It makes for a strong password so nobody steals your account. I've had my account stolen, but the person was too stupid to change my email, so I was able to change it using my email. So I really highly recommend you use a password that has numbers, letters, and special characters, okay? Make sure you do that. I think I had this wrong. And then also I do capital letters too, by the way. Okay, so you enter the current password over here, new password, and then confirm the new password, then click on next, and then continue. And there you go, your password has been resetted. That's how you can change your password in TikTok when you don't know it. Anyways, back to Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime offers unlimited ad-free access to over 1 million songs for just $99 a year. In addition to other Prime benefits, you instantly are able to stream over 40,000 movies and TV episodes. You can borrow books from the Kindle Owner's Lending Library. And also, my very favorite thing, you can get unlimited free 2-day shipping with no minimum order size. So I have a 30-day free link in my video description. Give it a try. If you don't like it, you can cancel at any moment that you want and you don't have to pay anything, okay? So click the link in my video description and thank you for watching.